Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to make the most out of the camera in your Xiaomi Pad 6. So now to do that, let's open up our camera application, press allow the device location, alright. Now let's talk about cool features. So in photo mode you can take pictures by pressing the volume buttons inside of the screen, right? You're pressing the volume button, it takes a photo. You can adjust the brightness, so to manually adjust the brightness, simply tap on the screen, any part of it. Now we've got this little sun icon, right? So drag your brightness up and down to adjust it, all right? If you want to set it automatically, simply tap on the screen, make a simple tap, and it will be automatically adjusted. Now, let's tap on the photo right here. Let's summon our options, press at the top screen, right? And here we've got a few options, for example, voice shutter. So if we'll enable this option, we can simply say cheese and our device will take a photo. Sounds cool, all right? We've got aspect ratio, HDR, gridness, AI camera, timer, tilt shift, press settings for further settings, for example, for watermark, picture quality, where we can adjust it. We can adjust volume button, shutter sound, a lot of things actually. Find this little like magic stick, all right? And here you can adjust your filters and beauty. So it's AI adjusting your photo. In photo mode, you can zoom up to 10x, and in the video mode, you can zoom up to 6x. The quality still remains fantastic. Now let's go to the video mode. And here, we can make a really cool feature. So here at the bottom of your screen, scroll down to more and choose a dual video. Now you can take a video simultaneously with two cameras, front camera and back camera, just like this. To disable this option, simply press on the cross. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.